Imagine this. You walk into a room and heads turn. Not because of fancy clothes or flawless makeup, but because your vibe feels sharper, brighter, and naturally unforgettable. That's what we call a face card that never declines. And the best part is you don't have to change who you are. No filters, no fillers. Your face card is already powerful. It just needs the right tricks to hit harder. Tiny tweaks, smart illusions, easy rituals. No more hiding, you're the spotlight. Let's start with the basics. Haircuts and face shape illusions. Not everyone is born with a razor-sharp jawline, and that's fine. What you can do is style your hair to highlight what you've got. Round face? Go for long layers or a side part for instant angles. Longer face? Curtain bangs balance it perfectly. Square jaw? Soft waves or a textured cut smooth the edges while keeping the power. These little switches trick the eye and upgrade your glow without changing a single feature. Now, let's reset your posture and expressions together. Stress sneaks in with a tight jaw, heavy brows, stiff lips. The fix is simple. Lift your chin slightly, roll your shoulders back, soften your eyes, and let your lips rest with a hint of curve. Like you know a secret. It's not posing, it's unlocking your calm face. Do this a few times a day, and even your casual moments will look effortlessly confident. Next up, sculpting without spending a dime. Forget pricey facials. Your hands plus a little oil are enough. Massage upwards, chin to ears, nose to temples, brows to scalp. Always up, always gentle. 4 times a week is enough to lift and wake up your skin, leaving it naturally snatched. For a sharper jawline, keep it simple. Chew sugar-free gum for 10 minutes daily. It tones your lower face like a workout. Your profile will look sharper in selfies, no filter required. Now let's talk morning routine. Ice is the glow king. Wrap a cube in cloth and sweep across your face for 1 minute. Puffiness gone, pores tightened, skin instantly fresh. Want to level up? Freeze green tea or lavender water into cubes for a calming, glowing start. Moving on to the eyes, because no face card glows without them. Curl your lashes for 5 seconds. It opens your look like an instant coffee shot. Dab a little highlighter or shea butter in the inner corners so they naturally catch the light. Still look tired? Rest green tea bags under your eyes for 90 seconds. Bags vanish, sparkle unlocked. Next stop, brows, the directors of your whole face. If they're messy, your vibe feels off. Brush them up, trim strays, and fill with feather-light strokes. Keep them natural, not blocky, just polished enough to guide your. And lips deserve their own spotlight. Skip the fillers and go DIY. Scrub once a week with brown sugar and honey. Hydrate daily with balm. Add a natural tint and a little gloss in the center. Alive, healthy, and ready to steal attention without trying too hard. If you've got acne-prone skin, here's your safe glow zone. Never shave or dermaplane your face when breakouts are active. It only irritates. Stick to gentle care. Wash with a mild cleanser, pat dry, and calm flare-ups with green tea ice cubes. Don't forget the nose zone. Take a little toner on cotton and swipe around your nostrils. It's such a tiny detail, but it makes your whole face look instantly fresher, cleaner, and brighter. Lighting is the silent hero. In selfies or real life, face soft, natural light. Drop your chin slightly and look through your lashes. Your cheekbones and jawline pop instantly. Even glasses can level you up. Thin rims or winged frames sharpen your vibe. And don't sleep on hair, it frames your card. A sleek bun with loose strands adds mystery. A half-up style with one side tucked gives effortless slay. Even dusting a little dark powder on thin roots makes your hair look fuller and frames your face perfectly. Details seal the deal. Small hoops or studs that catch the light, a fresh citrus spritz behind your ears, these little things become your signature. People don't just see your glow, they remember it. Because here's the truth. Your face card isn't about chasing perfection. It's about smart tweaks, simple rituals, and small illusions that let your natural energy shine harder. You're not becoming someone else, you're becoming the sharpest, brightest version of you. So bestie, if even one of these hacks lit up your vibe, hit that like and subscribe. Your future self will thank you. And remember, you're not the side note, you're the headline. You're the whole plot twist.